Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve chapter 3 exercise problem number 3.22. While solving this problem, we will be using Kirchoff's current law. According to this law, a cumulative current on a node inside an electrical network is always equal to 0. Sum of all entering currents on a node is always equal to sum of all leaving currents from that node. We also will be using Ohm's law. According to this law, voltage across any resistance R is the product of current through it and the value of resistance itself. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 3.22. Use nodal analysis to find the value of voltage V0 in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. Inside this network we have to find value of voltage across this 2 kilo ohm resistance with this specific polarity, and we have to use nodal analysis technique. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution of the network. We know that in order to apply nodal analysis on any network we have to follow some steps. First step includes finding out the maximum number of node voltage equations that can be retrieved from that network. So using this equation we can find out that figure. In this equation, n represents number of nodes exist in the network. In this network there are 4 number of nodes, so 4 minus 1 will be equal to 3. So maximum 3 number of node voltage equations can be retrieved from this network. In next step we have to label all unknown non-reference node voltage. This node is considered as reference or ground node. Other 3 non-reference node voltage are labeled as V1, V2 and V0. Voltage on this node, which is labeled as V0, will be appearing across this 2 kilo ohm resistance with respect of reference or ground node. So whatever the value of voltage will be on this node, same voltage will be appearing across this 2 kilo ohm resistance as well. That's why we have taken this node voltage as V0. Before we proceed further, if we observe there is a voltage source connected between two non-reference nodes, and we know that if a voltage source is connected between two non-reference nodes, we cannot solve that problem using simple nodal analysis technique. We have to switch towards supernode technique. In that technique, we have to merge that voltage source to its adjacent nodes. I have made a separate video in which I have explained how to identify and how to form a supernode. I will strongly recommend you to watch that video before solving this problem. Link to that video is given in description below. Now, as we discussed earlier, we have to merge this voltage source in order to form a supernode to either this node or this node. But before that, we have to write its voltage equation. Voltage across this voltage source is equal to the potential difference of these two non-reference nodes. So we can say that V1 minus V0 will be equal to 4 volt. Here we are considering V1 is on higher potential than V0, so definitely the direction of current flow through this branch will be from node 1 to this node. So the current will be entering from positive terminal. That's why we have taken this voltage source value as positive 4 volt. Now in order to merge this voltage source to this node, we have to rearrange this equation and find the new equation for V0 that will include this voltage value as well. So we will swap the positions of these two values. V0 will be placed on right side of the equal to make it positive, and 4 volt will be placed on left side of the equal to separate it from V0 and find its value. Value of V0 after merging 4 volt to it will be equal to V1 minus 4 volt. We know the value of V1 as we discussed earlier. V1 is equal to 12 volt. So we have to replace V1 with its value. Subtract 4 volt from 12 volt, so V0 will be equal to 8 volt. And it was the requirement in this scenario. We were asked to find out the value of V0 that is equal to 8 volt. So we don't have to further solve this problem. So the value of V0 in this network across this 2 kilo ohm resistance is equal to 8 volt. It was all about chapter 3 exercise problem number 3.22. Thank you. See you again in next video.